Hello there. My name is George, and I will be presenting you what I've been working around the last year. So let's go many years back ago. Let's go back where in the prehistoric ages, where humanity was making its first steps, and where humanity was evolving. Also, the human expression was evolving as well. And the people back then did something remarkable, which was drawing. They did drawing of the caves. And even today, we see those paintings, and we are astonished by the directness and the power they representing of the reality back then, represented through their brain and the hearts of those people. Many years after that, many things happened. The invention of fire, the invention of the wheel, typography, and the alphabet. And all these tools helped humanity to exchange their information, exchange their stories, and share stories globally. And today, many years after that as well, we have the internet, in which the basic principle is still the same. We're still using the alphabet to communicate our feelings or emotions in our everyday lives. But going from this, which is vast and unique and infinite, we confine ourselves into the alphabet again and again. And the question here is, do we want humanity to be confined in terms of technology, or do we want technology to expand in order to embrace every single aspect of our human expression? Shareapaint is a social network that allows users to create and share creative entries, which are called paints. From information from this paint, and the goal is to create something that looks like that into something that looks like this, which is much more direct, humane, and instant. And from this information, we are able to create a unique psychological profile from each user based on the color and the shapes, in order to allow users to connect with the same profile, and also allows advertisers to have a never seen before way to advertise their products with the data of psychological profiles and how the user actually feel and think through their signature, through their paintings. Now, you say drawings and the brain and all this psychological profile, how is this possible? Well, try to go to a bank and do your signature 2 times differently. They'll go nuts. They'll say, this line is not the same as the line before. Because we know that signatures is a very powerful tool, and it's a replication of how our brain actually works and how it's functions. And who knows, maybe in the future, where Shareapaint goes global, we can actually say that you will be able to actually find your soulmate, a person who actually thinks and feels the same way you do with your unique signature generated by the paint. And one goal is also to create the world's first color lexicon, which will answer the question, what's the color of peace, or the color of the new trend that's coming up in Hong Kong? And the application is already developed. This is a screenshot of the application so far. And there's another one here as well. And the target group will start from young creative persons to create a fun tool, a nice tool that people will spend time and will be nice to have. But also it's a goal to create a global platform of communication for pretty much everybody, from families and also professionals, to share their instant ideas with workmates and other people. The revenue plan is mostly to create a fun and easy to use tool to generate a lot of traffic, and people will have a nice fun spending time around it, and also use the data from the profiles to have the advertising benefits for marketers. The team consists mostly by me so far. I started developing it around 1 year ago while I was in Hong Kong, and I developed also when I was in Greece. I'm half Greek, half German, and I've been working with various startups, and I've been, you can check more about me in this site here. So what I'm looking for is actually developers, people who like the idea and like to spend some time developing, investors, and people who have finance background and how we can take this idea and work it better. And of course, everybody who is welcome in the marketing and growth area as well. So what's your color? Shareapaint. Thank you.